Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Row. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to retarget Synty assets with their new characters. And this is a very simple process, so this is going to be a short tutorial. I'm going to go over to my Unreal Engine and click Launch. And I'll go ahead and make a third-person project. I'll call this Synty Retarget. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to transfer over my sci-fi city over to the content of my new project. Now, under World Settings, go ahead and open this selected game mode and go to your BP third person. And open this up and then go back to your map, and in your content go over to your polygon, your Synty asset, meshes, and they have a new character folder now. And if you right click any of these skeletal meshes, go to skeleton and find skeleton, they're all assigned to the UE4 Manny. So there's two ways you can do this. For the first method, I'm just going to right click, find skeleton, and then go back to the epic content folder they have in the Synty folder, and then click blueprints, double click third person character. There's going to be a bunch of errors. Just go over to your BP third person, copy everything inside, and then delete everything what's in here and just paste it, and then compile and save. And now over here, you can just select that cop character or whichever one. I can basically select any of these. So if I just drag this over and hit play, then it's going to be Synty character blueprint that they already made. The second method is just going over to the mesh, right clicking, sign, and then you can choose the SK mannequin that's in your current folder, which would be under the UE4. So the mannequin underscore UE4 version. And then when you click accept, it'll just tell you to add these eyes and eyebrows. Click OK. And now under your BP third person character, you can just change the mesh to that character, and you can see in the viewport. Okay, so just in case your character comes off really weird, make sure you select the right mesh, which is going to be in the new character folder, and then you can hit compile and save. I'll change this to ABP Manny, and now it's your BP third person character. When you select your BP third person character and hit play, it will move exactly how the third person moves. And the blueprint compiler error is just the error that is in the original Synty third person character that they give out of the box. But yeah, if you don't want this error, you can just copy paste. You can either delete this or just copy paste what's in your event graph for your BP third person character and just paste it in here. And yeah, that's a really simple tutorial, and I'll go over some more complex ones later. Thanks for watching Code with Row. Like and subscribe and comment below what you want to see next. Patreon's in the link below if you want to support my channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.